Hi guys, welcome to all. In this session, we are going to discuss about the construction of a vented nickel cadmium battery using pocket plate technology. Vented nickel cadmium batteries are widely used in industries. It is the most common substation accessory for AC and DC UPS system. This type of batteries can have an advantage to work in high temperature range and also can deliver high discharge current to long backup time requirements. Start with the outside features of the battery. Battery outside can be visible with two terminal posts of positive and negative polarity. The positive terminal colored with the red and the negative terminal colored with the blue. Keep in mind that the nickel cadmium battery have 1.2 volt between both positive and negative terminal. How can we read the labels of a nickel cadmium battery? What informations are included on the label? Just check. Most of the battery labels consist of the datas like battery type, battery manufacturer's name, battery ampere hour, and minimum or maximum level indicator of the electrolyte. Let's go through an illustration. Here we consider Alcard make MC185P vented battery of voltage 1.2 volt. The vented nickel cadmium batteries uses potassium hydroxide solution as the electrolyte. Here, please note the maximum and minimum level indicator of the electrolyte. It is important to maintain the electrolyte in between the minimum and maximum level. Whenever the electrolyte level goes beyond the minimum level, add the distilled water to maintain the level. It is very important. Usually, the battery type indicates the ampere hour capacity of the battery. Here it is mentioned as MC185P. This means the battery rating is 185 ampere hour. Please note the notation MC in the label. What does this mean? Probably three types of notations are using in the labels. The first one is the H. H means high discharge current requirements for short interval of time. Please note down this type of battery electrode plates are very thin. The second one is M. Here this type of battery is having M. M means the medium discharge current for medium duration. The third one is the L. L means the low discharge current for long duration, so that the plate electrodes of this battery are thick. Next, we will go through the various parts of the battery. The first part is the flame arresting vents. Nickel cadmium batteries are producing hydrogen gas during its operation. This hydrogen gas is highly inflammable, so that the battery rooms of the nickel cadmium battery considered as a highly inflammable area which is classified as zone 0, so that all the electrical equipments inside the nickel cadmium battery room must be explosion proof. The flame arresting vent is made up of polypropylene which have small openings to exhale the hydrogen produced inside. Also, its property help fire to not get inside the battery. These vent caps can be opened to fill up the distilled water and electrolyte. The second part is the cell container. The cell container is made up of polypropylene which is having the opening on the top surface only. Let's go through the internal parts of the battery. The third part is the plate group bus. The plate group buses are collects the electricity generated from the plates to the positive and negative terminals. The fourth one is the plate tab. The function of the plate tab is to collect the electricity from the pocket plate frame to the plate group bus. The separating grid is the fifth part. Separating grid is a barrier between positive and negative plates. It also provides the electrolyte circulation within two plates. The separating plates is made up of polypropylene and made like a grid-like structure. The sixth part is the plate and plate frame. The function of the plate frame is to seal the pocket plate which is the basic functional block of this battery. The function of the plate frame is to seal the pocket plate from both ends, also collect the current collection from each pocket plate, then transfer it to the plate tab. The seventh part and the basic part is the pocket plate. There are two types of pocket plates that makes the positive and negative plates. Pocket plate construction is most common for positive and negative, but the active material inside the pocket plate is different. In nickel cadmium batteries, the negative plate or the anode is the metallic cadmium, positive plate or cathode is the nickel oxide hydroxide. As you know, electrolyte is the potassium hydroxide. Let's discuss about the functional block, which is the pocket plate. The active pocket plate is made up of two types of perforated steel strips, which is plated with nickel. Actually, this is like a mesh, which is made in two shapes, a flat strip and a U-shaped channel. Both of these channels is riveted and sealed to form a pocket plate. Number of pocket plates riveted together to form an entire plate. The active materials are made into paste, then hardened. The electrolyte is getting inside the active material through the holes of the mesh. This is the construction of the basic element that is called the pocket plate. So this is a basic pocket plate. You can see this is made up of two types of plates. Okay, one is a flat type plate and another one is a U-shaped plate. Both of this one are riveted. Okay, this is the basic pocket plate. You can see the inside active materials are kept inside the pocket. Then many of these pocket plates together form. This is a one pocket plate, this is second, third, fourth, like this to form the entire plate. Okay, like this the pocket plates are combined to form the active plate which produces the electricity.